Scene one, take one.
I think I would start by saying there's certain things that you can take less of, like t-shirts and joggies.
You can definitely get clothes out there and they're quite cheap and they're really nice. I still wear clothes that I got in China. I think it's really useful to take one set of formal clothes in case you get invited to anything. It's really handy to just have, and it saves you going out and having to find things that all match and get shoes and things. So one good formal outfit's handy.
There's an app called Taobao where you can get lots of cheap clothes. Like I think I got like a jacket off there that was like a big puffer jacket and it cost me like £6.
It's warm when you first get there, and then like a few weeks in, and one day you wake up and it's just cold, and that's what it's like for the next 3 months.
My hair used to freeze on the walk around to the university when I just come out the shower, so you definitely need to bring a wee hat and scarf with you.
A must-have, I would say, and I wish I'd taken it when I went into China, was snacks, like home comfort snacks, because the snacks in China can be great, but sometimes you'll be sitting there and you'll be craving something and you just cannot get it.
Just like little small things that you just have in your room, like that can just make your room in China more homely, and that's a big one for me.
So we didn't actually get our Chinese bank cards given to us until after the first month. So as a result, we had to live off all the cash we had, and lots of us ran out really quickly, and we're like really desperate for that first stipend to come in. So if we just brought more cash than they recommended originally, we probably wouldn't have had that problem.
And bring a bank card, because some people forgot their bank cards.
Everyone's kind of under the impression that you're going to this like other planet that's not going to have anything that you can get here, and most things you can get. But yeah, the only thing is, girls, take your tampons with you. It's a total nightmare to buy tampons in China.
You're going to a place where people already live, where they already buy things, where they already do things, so there are the means for people to live those sort of lives. So don't think you have to bring absolutely everything. Try and keep it light if you can.